Very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today I have got a very interesting guest, Mr. Manish Arora, Vice President Furniture Solution Rehau. It's good to meet you, Manish ji. To start our discussion, I wanted to understand more about your company, what it does. So, can you give us a brief to our readers? What does Rehau do in India?
Yes, sir. Rehau is a German Swiss multinational.
Okay.
Why is German Swiss multinational? Because founded in Germany, now moved their financial headquarters to Switzerland.
Switzerland.
So now we call it is a German Swiss company.
Okay.
Rehau is celebrating 75 years globally.
Okay.
So as India is also celebrating 75 years this year. So
Okay.
founded in 1948.
Okay.
It is a family owned company. It is 100% family owned company. Globally, the turnover is around 5 billion euros,
Okay.
and we are present in almost every country worldwide. So, throughout worldwide, we have 170 sales offices with more than 20,000 employees.
Okay.
And India, Rehau entered into the India in 1997
Okay.
by importing the products. We established our sales office in New Delhi,
Okay.
and now in 2001 we see the potential of the business in India, and we put up a first manufacturing plant in India in Pune
Okay.
in 2001. So in India, the journey of Rehau is almost now 25 years.
Okay.
Last year we celebrated 25 years in India.
And what sort of new launches or new products you are showcasing in India Wood this year?
Sir, let me tell you more about Rehau.
Okay,
Rehau is a world leader in polymer industry.
okay,
So whether it is automotive, or it is construction, or it is plumbing, or it is wastewater treatment, or it is any other material which is made by the polymer, Rehau has got the products.
okay,
Rehau is world leader in the edge band globally,
okay,
and every year we are doing more of research, spending, and we are launching new and newer products. Apart from that, in last 8 9 years, we instead of manufacturing, we have started doing alliances also
oh,
with major companies. So we are now doing a strategic alliances also and launching new products.
oh, it's like collaboration is future. Okay, so thank you, Mr. Manish. And what sort of product and technology you are displaying in India Wood 2024? New
So
launches.
this year we are displaying our zero joint edge band.
Okay,
This is the new edge band in the edge band industry, where it is applied by laser machines or hot air machines, and you cannot see the glue line. So it covers the substrate fully. So you will not see any joint with this technology. So
okay,
this is the latest product. One thing. The other product what we have launched is in the metallic, acrylic, matte collection in boards.
okay,
It is a high-end product and is catering. It is getting imported from Germany.
okay,
So we have just launched this product in Germany. So we are getting the products which is launched in Germany to India for the Indian customers. And similar to matching to these boards, we are launching the matching roller shutters also.
oh, that's interesting.
So what we are doing is we are trying to give the Indian manufacturer and Indian consumer a complete solution for the surface as well as for the storage,
Okay, end-to-end solution.
end-to-end solution. So how India has got products which is for any home. We have solutions from flooring to ceiling.
Oh, I like the concept flooring to ceiling. It goes well, like end to end. So, Mr. Manish, I heard that you have recently acquired a company. Can you tell us more about the acquisition and what benefit Rehau will get, or what sort of more power the company will get after this acquisition?
Rehau is a leader in India in advent. Okay, so we wanted to further strengthen our position in the market. There was a lot of acceptance of market in the retail segment by the end customer and the carpenters.
Correct.
Those are the end customers. We have seen in last 3 years that market is growing significantly, and to cater to the small requirements, we wanted to have some acquisition so that we can have a capacity and strength to cater to those markets. So now we have acquired Red Star Plastic. Through this acquisition, we will come out more stronger in the advanced industry in the coming years.
And people say sustainability is future. So, what sort of sustainable activities you are doing in India and in your products and in your plant as well?
So
Initiative, some
yes, we
initiatives.
are already doing lot of efforts in sustainability. We are launching ABS edgements. We are already producing ABS edgements, and we are planning to further do more greener products like PP edgements. We have got a PP roller shutters here in us, so which is more sustainable material. And going forward, all our products we are moving towards sustainability. In our factory also, we are doing lot of sustainable production
Okay.
because since we are dealing in the polymer industry, we have to do it right in the manufacturing as well as in the energy saving.
Oh, last question because I know it's a busy day for you. It's day two for India Board. A, what sort of responses you have got in last 2 days? And B, how do you see this industry growing or Rehau growing in 24, 25?
So we have been growing from last so many years by consistently by more than 16, 17%. So it was a sustainable growth. India Wood is a big show for us.
Okay.
It is the biggest show of woodworking industry in India.
Okay.
So Rehau has to be part of this show. And moreover, since we have a long association with this partner, India Wood Neuro Massive, we are participating in international Interzoom also with the same exhibitor.
Okay.
So Rehau is a part of this and being a leader in the edgement industry, which is a very critical part of furniture business.
Yes.
Rehau has to be there in each and every show. That
Yes.
is what because we wanted to show our products to our customers, and customer also has faith in us. So they also come us, see the products, use them, and has a good belief in Rehau. And going forward, I see the same growth of industry because right now India is poised for growth
Yes.
with the government, stable government,
Yes.
and with the GDP of 7%, and going forward with the Atmanirbhar Bharat
Yes.
philosophy, India is readily poised for growth, not less than 10% in this segment,
Correct.
in the furniture segment. So I see a lot of people shifting from unorganized to the organized. People will
Yes.
buy more machines.
Yes.
They will get more mechanized.
Correct.
They will use more mechanized products.
Correct.
So people will shift from the carpenter driven to the ready to assemble furniture, which we call it as a modular furniture.
Yes.
So going forward, there is a tremendous growth in this industry.
Thank you, Mr. Manish, and we wish you a successful trade show and looking forward for many more interaction in future. Wish you a great day, sir.
Thank you, thank you,
Thank you,
thank you very
sir.
much.